you can send those questions to me. Okay. Abhinav, did you try? Abhinav, did you try, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Got both answers?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Prarthana, start with loss of exponents. Prarthana,
Yes, ma'am.
start.
A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to negative n equal to 1 by a raised to n. A raised to m into b raised to m equal to a b raised to m. A raised to 0 equal to 1. A by b the whole raised to m equal to a raised to m by b raised to m.
Very good, very good. Devika. Devika.
This one. A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab the whole raised to n. A raised to negative n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. A by b the whole raised to m is equal to ab. A raised to m by b raised to n.
Okay, good. Gopi Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m all raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a b raised to m. A raised to negative n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. A b raised to m is equal to a raised to m by b raised to m.
Very good. Anybody else want to say? Anybody? Okay, we will start with our problems. Which one is the last problem we have discussed in the class?
Ma'am, 5 by 3 raised to negative 5 into 5 by 3 raised to negative 11.
5 by 3 raised to, 1 second, let me check. 5 by 3 raised to negative 5 into 5 by 3 raised to negative 11 into 5 by 3 raised to 8x. That we completed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, any doubt in that question?
No, ma'am.
Shall we continue with the next question?
Yes.
Find the value of m. Find the m. Find the m. 2 by 9 raised to 2 by 9 the whole raised to 3 into 2 by 9 the whole raised to negative 6 equal to 2 by 9 raised to 2 by 9 the whole raised to 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1.
Ma'am, that you have already given.
This one we did?
Yes.
Okay. Then one more question I will read. You check whether I have given or not. Okay. You check please.
Yes, ma'am, you have given.
Okay. One other question. One.
Yes, ma'am, you given.
Okay. Okay. So write the next one. I'll give another one. 3 by 2 raised to negative 3. 3 by 2 raised to negative 3 into 3 by 2 raised to 5 equal to 3 by 2 raised to 2x plus 1. 3 by 2 raised to 2x plus 1.
And 2 by 3 raised to 3.
Hmm?
And
2 by
3 by
3.
2 raised to negative 3
Yeah.
plus
3 by 2
5.
raised to. No need to change the exponent. Okay. We
Yes.
can add the exponents. Negative 3 plus
5.
5 equal to
2.
3 by 2 raised to
2x
2x
plus 1.
plus 1. So it is equal to 3 by
3 by 2 raised to 2.
2 equal to 3 by 2 raised to 2x plus 1. So what can we
3x.
do next?
3x.
What can we do next?
2x plus 1 is equal to 2.
2x plus
2x
1.
plus 1 equal to 2.
3.
So 2x equal to 2 minus 1. 1. So x equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by
But
2. Okay. Did you understood how
yes.
to find this type of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 how?
2x equal to, see, 2x equal to 1. Okay.
Yes.
So x equal to 1 by 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, yes.
Shall I move to next type
Yes.
of
Yes.
questions? Okay. This type you
Ma'am,
understood.
ma'am, you give next the not multiplication, addition and minus can you give?
Okay.
And can you teach that again?
Which one? Which one?
Addition.
Addition and subtraction.
Addition and subtraction means I didn't understand.
2 by 9 raised to 3 plus 2 by 9.
2 by 9 raised to
Ma'am,
3.
in homework
You
you
given
give
plus
so
addition and all.
plus
Okay, do one
addition
thing.
and
You
all.
read that question. Which type of question? I didn't understand. Which type?
6 raised to negative 1
6 raised to negative 1
Plus
plus 3 by 2 the whole raised to negative 1
by 2 the whole raised to
to
negative 1.
negative 1
Ah,
whole raised to
raised
negative.
to negative 1.
this way.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
negative 1.
This one you need to explain this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, I
ma'am.
will do. Okay, listen. 6 raised to negative 1 we can write 1 by 6
1 by 6 plus
plus 3 by
2
2
by
raised
3
to negative 1 we can write 2 by 3.
raised to negative 1.
Negative 1 changes to 1. So 2 by 3 only.
Not that.
Okay. The whole raised to negative 1.
Negative 1.
Now here LCM is 6.
6. So
So
1
1
by 6
plus-
plus
1 plus
Plus
6.
4 by 6.
Not
And that
4. 4. 1 plus 4 by 6. Hmm?
5 by 6
5
raised to
by
negative
6.
1.
5 by 6 raised to
Negative
negative
1.
1. Here
And
also
4
negative.
how 4?
See, 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3. 6 is the LCM. So here 1 plus. When we multiply 6 here, it will cancel 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes.
So 5 by 6 raised to negative 1, it will be 6 by 5 raised to 1. That is 6 by 5. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you want this type of questions, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, subtraction also, can you give one example?
Huh?
Same rate.
Subtraction.
Subtract.
Same rate. Same type.
Same type. I will check if we have. I will check whether such questions are.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
3
1
by
minute.
4 raised to
In
negative
our
1.
textbook, we have very less question. I am giving all these questions from our R.D. Sharma book.
Ma'am, can we say one question?
Can?
Can we say one question from this homework?
Okay, say. Next one.
3 by 4 raised to negative 1
Negative 1
Negative
minus
1 minus
minus 1 by 4 raised to negative 1.
negative 1
1 by,
1 by
1 by
4.
4
uh,
raised to negative 1.
Ah,
The whole
The whole
raised
raised to negative 1.
the whole race. This one. Okay.
Yes.
Same way we can do. We will try.
Ma'am, it is 2.
We will do now. Okay.
Then
3
we
by,
got 3
3 by 4 we can write 4 by 3. 3
minus
by 4 raised to minus 1 we can write 4 by 3 minus
minus 4.
4. 4 raised
Whole
to
raised to
4.
negative 1.
Whole raised to negative 1. Okay. So here it is 3 is the LCM. So 4 minus 12
Yes.
raised to
Negative 8 by 3.
negative 1. So it is
Negative 8 by 3,
negative
the whole
8
raised to.
by 3, the
The
whole
whole raised
raised
to
to
negative 1.
negative 1. So 3 by
Negative 8.
8 raised to 1. That is
Yes.
negative we can take to the numerator. It is 3 by 8.
Ma'am, how 12 came there? 12.
3 into 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other question? Any doubt? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
We will discuss. All other you got.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can I write this?
Okay, okay. I will
Okay.
send this type of some questions to you again. Okay, then you will be okay with those questions. Okay.
Now, can you explain this again?
This one. Okay. See here I will write 3 by 4. 3 by 4 raised to negative 1. We can write 4 by 3. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Minus 1 by 4 raised to negative 1, we can write 4. Reciprocal is 4. 4 raised to 1. That is 4 itself. Understood this step? All of you understood?
Yes.
Now, we are subtraction 4 by 3 minus 4. 4 minus 12 by 3. You will multiply 3 into 4 now. The whole raised to negative 1. The whole raised to negative 1. That is negative 8 by 3, the whole raised to negative 1. So it is 3 by negative 8, the whole raised to negative. That is 3 we can, negative we can take into the numerator. So negative
Ma'am.
3 by 8.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you put the negative to top?
Yes. We can do that. See,
Okay.
negative 8 we can take.
Okay.
Ma'am, how did we get negative 8?
Negative 8 is 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12. Here 4 by 3 minus 4. Subtraction of rational numbers. Here LCM is 3. So we are multiplying both by 3. So 3 get cancelled 4. Here 4 into 3 12. 4 minus 12 negative 8. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm positive. I have some confusions.
Positive
Adding.
and negative, adding.
Adding.
Okay, I will send some simple questions on addition and
Okay.
subtraction of negative numbers and positive numbers.
Yes.
You try those questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Should
You
we
should
write
be
that
all
homework in
should
our
be
notes?
thorough with addition and subtraction of integers, positive and negative integers.
Ma'am, in subtraction, negative 8 by 3. Why we do the reciprocal? 3 by negative 8.
To remove the negative
one,
one.
the whole raised to negative 1 is the, so to change that exponent.
Okay.
Okay, shall I continue with the next question?
Yes.
Okay, good. So in this way you have to ask which type you want, which question you have mistake. This way you have to ask. Okay, I like that. Very good, all of you. Okay, so now write next question. Next question. Simplify negative 2 by 3. Negative 2 by 3. The whole raised to minus 2 into 4 by 5. 4 by 5, the whole raised to negative 3. Question, you have to simplify. So this is equal to negative 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 2. We can write
2.
3 by 2.
2.
3 by negative
2,
2.
the whole raised to 2.
And 4 by 5 we can write 5 by 4. The whole raised to 3. The whole raised to 3. This we
And
can
then we can 3 raised to 2.
3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2. Negative 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3 by 4 raised to 3. Hmm? Numerator, we cannot do anything. We will write simply 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3 only. But denominator, we can do something. What can we do? Denominator.
Negative 4 into.
Negative 4 is not there.
And 4 we can convert into 2 raised to 2.
Yes, yes, very good. Negative 2 the whole square. 4 we can write 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3. So next 3 raised to 2, 5 raised to 3 divided by what? Anything can we do here? Negative 2 the square.
Ma'am,
Ah,
No, ma'am.
ma'am by 1.
Hmm?
Ma'am, negative 1 into 3.
Yeah, negative
1 into 3.
1 into 3.
1 into 3 raised to 2.
Ma'am, 1 into 2.
Negative, actually, negative 2 the whole square equal to what?
Ma'am, we can
And negative 1 into 2.
negative 1 into 2.
Yes.
2 raised to 2.
Yes, yes. Negative 1 into 2 the square into 2 raised to 6 we can write. 2 into 3. Understood this step?
Yes, ma'am.
This equal to 3 square into 5 cube divided by negative 1 the whole square into 2 square into 2 raised to 6. Yes?
Ma'am, how
Ah.
2 raised to 6 came?
2 raised to 2, law of exponent, 2 into multiplying these two.
A raised to m all
A
raised
raised to m into A raised to n. A raised to mn. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, numerator 3 square into 5 cube divided by negative 1 square is 1.
Yes.
Negative 1 into negative 1, 1. 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 6, we can write 2 raised to 2 plus 6.
Yes.
So the answer is 3 square 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 8 is the answer. Simplification, we have to write all the steps one by one. Then now we need nothing to simplify. This is the
Yes.
least simplification. Write all the steps one by one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 3 square can we write 9?
That you can do. 3 square can be written as 9. 5 raised to 3 you can write 125. If you want you can write, or otherwise this is enough. Or otherwise this is enough. You will get
Ma'am. Ma'am.
If question is evaluate, you have to multiply. Yes.
Ma'am, how you got the 2 raised to 6?
2 raised to 6, see this 2 square, the whole raised to 3. 2 raised to 2 into 3, 6. A raised to m. The whole raised to n is A raised to mn. Using that law. Okay? Okay? Yes.
On second step, we can directly convert into numbers and multiply.
That you can do. Directly you can skip 1 or 2 steps if you want. This negative 2 square, directly you can write 2 square. If you
Ma'am, we can write 9 by negative 4 into 15.
9 by
Negative 4. Negative 2 raised to 2.
that is not negative 4, it is 4. Negative 2 the whole square is negative 2 into negative 2. Only 4. Only 4. Then you can write 4 cube, you can write 4 raised that. Okay, that you can do. 4, here it will be 4, here it is 4 cube. So you can write 4 raised to 4. That also you can do. Again 4 is 2 square, the whole raised to 4, 2 raised to 8. In any way, you will get the same answer.
Okay.
You can use any of the laws. No problem. Either in the beginning, you can convert negative 2 into 4, or in the last. Anyway, you will get the same answer. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for exam, this chapter will be there.
Yes.
For exam, this chapter will be there.
No.
only
Rational and
rational number.
understanding quadrilateral and rational numbers.
Portions is sent.
Portions we got.
Those two. Portions we have sent to groups now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only that. Next one.
Easy MCQ.
Yes.
Short slide.
Yes.
I mean, CQ no.
Yes.
Ma'am, why it is written periodic test?
Periodic test. It's
Periodic test only, but they are conducting a
As it is periodic test, but we are conducting as MCQs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because when you are writing descriptive papers, it will be not difficult, but there is some technical problems while conducting Google form examination. That's why. Next exam we will do in that way. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I can't hear. Yes? What did you say?
Problem.
Last problem.
Last problem.
My God, I think it gone. It's not there. It's gone. I asked you, did you complete? I took new page, so it's gone.
I can take previous and.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show that slide, addition slide? You wrote that.
Addition slide means loss of exponent. That one.
Yes. That addition, about addition, you wrote one example now.
And for addition, you give a problem, right?
6 raised to 1 plus 3 by 2.
X raised to.
Ma'am, you give one problem, right?
Today.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
We said one question to you and you wrote it.
Ma'am, we got that you give.
This one.
No, ma'am, before that 1 by 6.
Before that.
Nothing is coming. I will try whether it is. It is not there.
Ma'am, it may have
If you
gone.
want, I will do once again. Or you ask your friends to
Ma'am,
send.
it is there in this ISO.
You saw?
It is the next slide.
Ma'am, you
Next
take
one.
next.
This one?
Ma'am, this one.
This one.
This one, okay. Next, our new topic, a simple topic. Use of exponent in standard form. Write the heading. Use of exponent in standard form.
Ma'am, can you know the last problem? This is the last one.
Yes?
Last one.
Next one. This one.
Ma'am, use of exponent
In standard form. Use of exponents in standard form. Can I move this?
Yes.
Okay. Use of exponents in standard form. Use of exponents in standard. What do you mean by standard form? You have studied in your
Ma'am,
7th standard. 100, we can write 10 into 10, or it is 10 raised to 2. This is our exponent form.
Yes, ma'am.
1000, we can write 10
10 into 10.
10, which means
10
10
raised
raised
to
to
3.
3.
10 raised to
Very
3.
good. If 3 zeros are there, it will be 10 raised to 3.
3.
So 10,000 can be
10
written
raised
as
10
to 4.
raised to 4.
raised to 4.
4.
10 raised to 5.
10 raised to 5.
Equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
10 raised 7. 10 raised to 7.
10 raised to 7. This is our exponential form, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 700 can be written as what? 700 is equal to
7 raised to 2. 7 raised to 2.
no, 7 into 100. That is 7 into 10 raised to 2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
700 is 7 into 100. And 100 we can write in the exponential form. Okay. In the standard form, we will write only one digit in the integer part. 7 into 10 square. Next is 8,000 will be written as
7 into
8 into
1000.
10
7
cube.
into
8 into 1000.
1000.
8 into 1000 or
8
8 into 10 cube.
10
8
cube.
into 10
8 into 10
cube.
cube. Write this because I have to remove
Ma'am,
this page.
finish.
Write this.
I'm finished.
Okay. Next, one more example I'll give you. Suppose it is 15,000. How can we express
Ma'am,
15,000?
15 into 1000 is equal to 15 into 10 raised to 3.
15 into 10 raised to 3. But I ask you, while writing standard form, only one digit we have to write in the
Ma'am,
integer
so
part.
10 raised to 4. 1 into 10 raised to 4.
So the digit is we need only one in the integer part. First digit only. So 1. Then we will put a point. 1.500
Yes.
into how many points how many decimal places we take? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
4.
So it will be
10
10
raised
raised
to
to 4.
4.
We will do many examples, then it will be clear to you. So this we can write 1.5 after 0, after decimal. If we put many 0, there is no value. So no need to put these 3 zeros.
Ma'am, so we can write like this.
1.5 into 10 raised to 4.
If we didn't write 0 also, no problem.
No problem.
Ma'am, see.
If this is the way, then you have to write. If 0 comes between two numbers, that 0 we have to write. But if it comes in this way,
Continue.
these zeros no need to write. Understood?
Okay.
Ma'am, if
We
it is
will
1 0.
Eh?
If it is 1 0.
1 0 also no need to write. Next, we will do some different types of examples. Then you will understood. Next, we will write. This can be written as how? One integer part. 1.
1,
Point. Then
Point.
how many decimal places? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4.
8, 4, 0,
8,
0
4,
into
0,
since we move 4 decimal places, it is 10 raised to
10 raised to 4.
10 raised to 4.
Ma'am,
Or we can write 1.84 into 10 raised to 4. These two zeros no need to write. Standard form. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can write these are the standard form. Standard form. And what about this is usual form? Standard form, and standard form we will write 10 raised to in the 10 raised to forms. Here this is usual form.
Questions are usual form.
This is usual form. This is usual form. This is standard form. If you are asked you to write in the standard form, you have to write in the form 10 raised to. Now we will do some more examples. Write in the standard form. Question. You can write the question as write the standard form. Write the standard form. Write the standard form. Write all these numbers in the standard form. First one I will do for you. 1.834 1 2 3 4. 4 places we are moving. 0 if you want you can write. The next step you can write without 0. 1.834 into 10 raised to 4. 1.834 into 10 raised to 4. Okay, how many decimal places we moved from right to left? That we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We move 4 places from right to left. That much tens. So 10 raised to 4. Anli, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second one we will write in the form 2 point. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2.89 into 10 raised to 4. 7
Ma'am, can you
point.
show the last problem?
Which one? Last one I didn't do. I'm going to do.
Ma'am, that's 1.84 into 10. 10
Who's
by
asking
4.
this? Who asked this?
Abhinav.
Abhinav. Okay. I will check.
Ma'am, standard. Ma'am, you show that one.
This one. Abhinav, you
Ma'am,
write
not this one, after this one.
after this one. The 1 point. This one, no. Isn't it, Abhinav?
This one, ma'am.
Okay, you write along with.
Before this one.
Then 7.1.
Ma'am, before this one.
3, 4.
Or the stand for.
10 raised to 5. Okay.
Ma'am, before this stand for.
What you're
Right,
asking? What you're asking? Abhinav, I can't hear you.
Net connection problem.
Ma'am, before this, the
Before
stand
this
for.
I show. Before this I showed, then you said that, not that. Before this is this one. This one you want?
Yes, ma'am.
Then write. Abhinav, you write along with me.
Yeah.
Do I have speed?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I'm going in a slow mode, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I will wait for you.
Ma'am, over.
Over? Okay.
Yes.
Abhinav, you over. Can I move the page?
Not over.
Okay, you write. Others, do all other problems.
Ma'am, over.
I'm finished.
Finished. Very good. Very good. So how to represent standard form you understood, isn't it?
Yes.
Now we have to study how to represent decimals or the number starts with the decimal in the standard form. That also we have to study. We will study those type in the next class. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I will send some homeworks to you today. You have to do that. Today we have one more period.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
11 period today.
Yes, ma'am.
11
Only one
period.
period.
Okay, okay. So we will meet in the next class, next day. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay,
all of
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
all of you.